Hello, class 4, English, chapter 4, Marching to Freedom. Students, all of you know about Mahatma Gandhi? Yes, he is known as the father of the nation. And Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. And Mahatma Gandhi was the most famous leader who fought for our country, for the independence of our country. And he led many protests against the British to get independence for India. One of the most famous protests was the Great Salt March, also known as the Dandi March. So, Gandhiji started his march from the Sabarmati Ashram and walked all the way up to Dandi. And so, in this chapter, we will study about the Dandi March of Mahatma Gandhi. So, it is very interesting and very good lesson. All of you study carefully. Okay. Dhani and his parents lived in Mahatma Gandhi's Sabarmati Ashram. There was a boy called Dhani, and he lived with his parents in Sabarmati Ashram with Mahatma Gandhi. Dhani used to take care of Bini, and Dhani had one god named Bini, one of the ashram's god. Means that the god's name was Bini. Bini was his best friend and he liked talking to her. And this Dhani was considering this god as his best friend and he used to talk to Bini. The ashram had become very noisy and full of activity in the past few days. Some days passed. Those days the ashram had become very noisy and full of activity, means they were discussing many things, people in the ashram along with Mahatma Gandhi. Dhani knew something exciting was being planned at the ashram. Then he was very excited to know, and he knew also that something interesting plan is going on in the ashram. The morning, as Dhani fed Bini, he said, something is going on, Bini. Then when he was feeding Bini, he was giving grass to Bini. Then he told to Bini that Bini, something is going on in the ashram. They all keep discussing something. They are planning something. I know it. This boy is telling to God that Bini, they are planning something, but I know it. What about? They are discussing about what? Dhani went to his mother and asked, Amma, is Gandhiji going somewhere? Then he ran and went to his mother and he asked to mother, Amma, is Gandhiji going somewhere? His mother said, he is going on a march. Then his mother replied, he is going for the march. March? Where is he going? Dhani queried. Means he was so excitedly he asked question that march, where they are going or where he is going. Dhani's mother thought that he was only killing time. She said, stop asking questions and let me do my work. And Dhani's mother just thought that he is just wasting my time. So you don't waste my time, let me do my work. Simply you are asking question and wasting my time. So saying that, she continued her work. Dhani went to the vegetable garden where old Binda was digging up potatoes. There was one man called Binda and he was digging potato in the garden and Dhani went to him. Binda, Chacha. Dhani sat beside him. He was calling him Chacha. Are you going on for the march too? Then he went and asked to that Binda Chacha, are you going for the march too? Binda nodded his head. Dhani eagerly asked. Binda just shook his head and he again more excited to know, and this Dhani asked eagerly, "Where are you all going?" Then he said, "Where are you all going?" Binda stopped digging and told him about the march. He stopped digging and told all about the march. Gandhiji and some people from the ashram were going to walk through Gujarat to reach the sea at a place called Dandi. Then Gandhiji and some people together, they are going to walk from Gujarat to the sea called Dandi. Then they had to walk and go. They would walk for a whole month. So they had to work for the whole month. Once they reach Dandi, they would make salt. When they will go to Dandi by walk, and when they reach to Dandi at the sea, then there they will make the salt. Dhani sat up and frowned. Why will they make salt? You can buy it in every shop. Then he did not understand the meaning of making salt. Therefore he sat and he asked why they will make salt. They can go and buy salt in every shop. I know, Binda Chacha laughed. Binda Chacha laughed and said, I know, but we all have to pay tax for salt. Once we buy the salt from the shop, then we have to pay tax for it also. Everyone needs salt, and salt is very essential thing that everyone needs salt. Without salt, in whatever food we take, will not be tasty. So even the poorest person has to pay this tax, exclaimed Binda Chacha. And for that, to buy that salt, the poor person also have to pay the tax. So poor people, where will they get money to pay the tax? So students, we will continue the rest of the chapters in the next class. So whatever I have just explained you, once again you go through it and understand it more. Thank you.